Hey everyone, this is Nourin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Do you freeze when you start speaking English? You know what you want to say, but you just go blank when you want to speak something in English? There's one thing you can do to stop freezing and start speaking English with confidence. You want to know what it is? Keep watching. And don't forget to watch this video till the end to get the bonus point that can help you speak English with confidence. The main reason people freeze while speaking English is because they overthink. Yes, you start worrying about how to say it. Is it grammatically correct? Are you using the right words? Is your sentence structure correct? You have a lot of thoughts going over in your mind when you want to say something. The key to overcoming this freeze is to stop overthinking. Just stop overthinking and start speaking. When you focus on your message instead of making everything perfect or right, you break that mental block and you allow the words to flow freely. You know what happens when you overthink? Overthinking brings anxiety, and anxiety leads to freezing or stopping in between when you are talking. When you stop worrying, your body and mind relax and you can speak more naturally and freely. Fluency isn't about saying everything perfectly. It is about speaking continuously. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. If you hesitate too much, the flow stops. Just start speaking and don't worry about your mistakes. Look at the confident English speakers. Confident English speakers know that mistakes are a part of the process. When they make any errors, they just continue. They don't stop there, they don't freeze, and they continue, and this helps them improve faster. Now you might be wondering, how can I stop this overthinking? It might not be intentional. You're not doing it on purpose. It comes out, naturally. You're not doing anything. You're not overthinking, but it comes when you speak. Now what you should do to overcome that? Just take a deep breath. Yes, before you speak, take a deep breath. This helps to calm your nerves and can speak without stress. Instead of waiting for the perfect words or the perfect moment or the perfect sentence to speak something, just speak whenever you can. Just start speaking. Even if it's not perfect, say something, start the conversation, and your mind will catch up. The main goal is to communicate and not to communicate perfectly. Remind yourself that as long as the other person understands you, you are doing great. Also, don't forget to speak regularly. Even if it's just for a few minutes, it's better to speak regularly. The more you practice, the more easy it will be to speak English. The more natural you will feel. So, at least spend 2 minutes a day to speak English. Choose a topic and talk about that topic for 2 minutes every day. Daily, you should follow this. This can help you speak easily and with confidence. Now for the bonus tip. The bonus tip is to slow down. You are speaking to someone, you are speaking very fast or in a moderate pace. And in between, if you're feeling stuck or if your mind goes blank, you can slow down. Slow down your speaking pace. When you slow down, you get more time to think and to speak. When you slow down, you will feel more confident too. Like you will get more time to think and you will have more words with you. You can speak naturally. It doesn't mean you're very fluent when you're fast. Even fluent speakers can speak slowly. Slow and steady communication is better than rushing and then freezing. So guys, now it's your turn. Try speaking without overthinking for a couple of days and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to share your experience. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye!